Very warm welcome on the platform of INSYS Academy. We are discussing a rapid fire series of 25,000 plus questions which has been asked by UPPSC in various examinations. We have already covered some sections of this series. In this section, we are going to discuss Indian polity and constitution. If you have not watched the video of earlier subjects, you can go and check. Let's start the video. First chapter is Constitutional Development of India. The system of Chamber of Princes with 120 members was created by the Act of 1919. Supreme Court was established in Calcutta under Regulating Act 1773. Act of British government granted 1 lakh for education in India for the first time, that is Charter Act 1813. Act for the first time made it possible for Indians to take some share in the administration of their country, that is Indian Council Act 1861. The India Council abolished by the Government of India Act 1935. In the federation established by Government of India Act 1935, residuary powers were given to the Governor General. The following acts provided for a federal polity in India. Government of India Act 1935. A federal system and diarchy at the center was introduced in India by the Act of 1935. The provision for establishment of All India Federation was included in the Government of India Act 1935. The following acts led to the separation of Burma from India, that is Government of India Act 1935. The following is not an important and permanent constituent in the constitutional history of India as adopted in the Government of India Act 1935, that is a written constitution for the country. The British Parliament passed the Indian Independence Act in July 1947. When was the interim government formed under the leadership of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru? That is September 1946. Move on to the next chapter, that is Constituent Assembly, its functions and related committees. Constituent Assembly of India was set up under the recommendations of Cabinet Mission. The members of the Constituent Assembly which drafted the Constitution of India were elected by legislative assemblies of various provinces. The date of last meeting of the Constituent Assembly of India, 24th January 1950. Indian Constitution was adopted by Constituent Assembly on 26 November 1949. The Constitution of India was enacted on 26 November 1949 by the Constituent Assembly. Who presided over the first meeting of Indian Constituent Assembly, that is Sachidanand Sinha. The first session of the Constituent Assembly was held on 9th December 1946. President of the Constituent Assembly was Dr. Rajendra Prasad. The inaugural session of the Constituent Assembly was presided by Dr. Sachidanand Sinha. The following dates Constituent Assembly of India adopted the national flag: 22nd July 1947. The chairman of the Provincial Constitution Committee of the Constituent Assembly was Sardar Patel. The chairman of the Advisory Committee on Fundamental Rights of the Constituent Assembly was Vallabhbhai Patel. The chairman of the Ad hoc Committee on National Flag was Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Constitutional advisor to the Constituent Assembly was appointed by V.N. Rao. The constitutional advisor during the drafting of Indian Constitution was V.N. Rao. The first draft of the Indian Constitution was prepared by V.N. Rao. The number of members included in the Constitution Drafting Committee was 7. The following was not a member of Drafting Committee of the Constitution, that is Jawaharlal Nehru. The Constituent Assembly was set up a drafting committee under the chairmanship of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar on 29 August 1947. How much time the Constituent Assembly looked to frame the Constitution of India? 2 years, 11 months and 18 days. How many sessions of the Indian Constituent Assembly were conducted for the formulation of Indian Constitution? That is 11. Who said the Assembly was the Congress and the Congress was India? Austin. The first Law Minister of India was Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Move on to the next chapter, that is influence of other constitutions. The concept of concurrent list in Indian Constitution was borrowed from Australia. The concept of fundamental rights has been taken from the Constitution of country, United States of America. The concept of directive principles of state policy in Indian Constitution has been borrowed from the Constitution of which country? Ireland. In giving representation to talent, experience and service in the composition of the Council of States, the constitution makers of India were influenced by the example of Irish Republic. The concept of the directive principles of state policy in Indian Constitution has been adopted from the Constitution of Ireland. The concept of federation in India is based on country Canada. The concept of a union of states in Indian Constitution has been derived from the British North American Act. The system of judicial review exists in India and USA. The concept of fundamental duties in Indian Constitution has been taken from Russian Constitution. Who has said it? I have not to beg pardon in connection with the allegation that in the draft of Constitution, a major part of the Government of India Act 1935 has again been reproduced. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Move on to the next chapter, that is features of preamble. The first woman speaker in Lok Sabha is Meera Kumar. The concept of basic structure of constitution was propounded by the Supreme Court in the case of Kesavananda Bharati versus State of Kerala, 1973. The following introduced preamble in the Constituent Assembly, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. In the preamble of Indian Constitution, which justice is provided to all its citizens, social, economic and political. How many types of justice, liberty, equality and fraternity in that order have been mentioned in the preamble of Constitution of India? That is 3, 5, 2, 1 respectively. The following objectives is not embodied in the preamble to the Constitution of India. Economic liberty. How many types of liberty are mentioned in the preamble of the Indian Constitution? That is 5. The following liberty is not embodied in the preamble of the Constitution of India. Economic liberty. The legal nature of the preamble of the Constitution is not enforceable. The following verse is not mentioned in the preamble of the Constitution of India. Federal. The exact constitutional status of Indian Republic on 26 January 1950 was a sovereign, democratic and republic. These two words, secular and socialist, have been added to the preamble of the Constitution, which was their constituent amendment, that is 42nd Constitution Amendment Act. The word secularism was inserted in the preamble of the Indian Constitution by 42nd Amendment. The expression of the term secular in India is there is no religion of the state in India. In the verdict of which case Supreme Court declared first time that preamble is not a part of Constitution, that is Berubari. In the following cases Supreme Court held that preamble forms part of the Constitution, that is Bombay versus Union of India. Which part of Indian Constitution has been described as the soul of the Indian Constitution? The preamble. The following describes India as a secular state, that is preamble of the Constitution. The objective of Indian Constitution is reflected in preamble of the Constitution. Move on to the next chapter, that is articles, schedules and parts of the Constitution. As per Article 300 of the Constitution of India, the legal name of the Government of India is Union, the Union of India. The following article is related to the appointment of Finance Commission by President of India, Article 280. Under article, the special provision has been made for Finance Bill under Article 117. The annual budget is placed under which article of the Constitution? That is Article 112. The following is correct about the heading of the Article 162 of the Constitution of India, extension of executive power of state. The following is not possible by law of Parliament under Article 3 of the Constitution, that is admission of new states. Article related to abolition of untouchability in Indian Constitution is Article 17. The Indian Constitution provision has been made for all minorities shall have the right to establish and administer educational institution of their choice in Article 30. Which article of Indian Constitution is related to fundamental rights against child exploitation? Article 24. Which article of Indian Constitution prohibits a child to work in any factory? Is Article 24. The word Hindu in Article 25 of the Constitution of India does not include Parsis. Under Article of Indian Constitution, the Parliament can make laws on state list subject for giving effect to international agreements. Article 253. The following does not fall within the purview of Article 21 of the Constitution, that is capital punishment. The following articles directs state government to organize village panchayats. Article 40. Article of the Constitution provides for the participation of workers in the management of industries. Article 43. Article of Indian Constitution is related to Indian foreign policy. Article 51. Article of the Constitution provides Speaker shall have and exercise a casting vote in case of an equality of votes, that is Article 100. Article of Constitution of India, President of India has power to promulgate ordinance is Article 123. The money bill is defined in which article of Constitution of India? Article 110. Article of the Constitution permits the Supreme Court to review its own judgment or order. Article 137. Procedure for creation of Legislative Council in states has been described in which article of the Constitution? That is Article 169. The following cannot be dissolved but abolished. Legislative Council. Article of Indian Constitution, there is provision for the Election Commission. Article 324. The Constitution of India provides for an election commission under Article 324. A resolution passed by Rajya Sabha under Article 249 of the Constitution empowering Parliament to legislate on a state subject in national interest remains in force for a period not exceeding 1 year. Article 249 of the Indian Constitution deals with legislative powers of the Parliament with respect to a matter in the state list. Article of the Indian Constitution, the Parliament can make laws on state list subject for giving effect to international agreements, that is Article 253. Article of the Constitution deals to provide necessary facilities by states for the use of mother tongue in their primary education, that is Article 350A. The provision for representation of Anglo-Indian community in the Lok Sabha has been made in the Constitution under Article 331. A special provision under Article 371 of the Constitution has been made for the state Maharashtra and Gujarat. Article of Indian Constitution provisions has been made for all India service, that is Article 312. It has been mentioned under which article of the Constitution that without the proper litigation neither tax could be imposed nor collected, that is Article 265. Constitution can be amended under which article of the Constitution, that is Article 368. Precedent rule can be imposed on the state under which article of the Constitution, that is Article 356. Article of the Indian Constitution procedure established by law has been added. Article 21. The provision of 3 legislative lists is found in the following schedule of the Constitution, that is 7th schedule. If a new state of Indian Union is to be created, which one of the following schedules of the Constitution must be amended? First, the following schedules of the Indian Constitution list the names of states and specifies their territories, that is, first, in order to provide constitutional protection, state land reforms are added to 9th schedule. The following schedules of the Constitution of India contains provisions regarding Anti-Defection Act, that is 10th schedule. 11th schedule of Indian Constitution is related to Panchayati Raj. How many times are there in the 11th schedule of the Constitution of India? That is, how many items are there in 11th schedule of Constitution of India? That is 29. 9th schedule was introduced in the Constitution of India during the Prime Ministership of Jawaharlal Nehru. The following subjects comes under concurrent list. Criminal procedure. The following subject comes under concurrent list, that is criminal procedure. The following is not included in the state list given in the Constitution, that is Criminal Procedure Code. The following subject is not included in the Union list of Indian Constitution, that is agriculture. The following subject is not included in state list of Indian Constitution, that is criminal procedure. The following is not mentioned under the Union list of 7th schedule of the Indian Constitution, that is gas. Coelho case is related to which schedule of Constitution of India? 9th. Indian Constitution is divided into 22 parts. Part 5 of the Constitution is not related with executive of state. Part 16, Article 330 to 342 is related to reservation of scheduled caste, scheduled tribes in House of People and representation of Anglo-Indian community. Union-state relationship has been mentioned in part of Constitution, that is 11. Part of Constitution of India, we find the provisions relating to citizenship, that is part 2. The concept of 3-layered panchayat is mentioned in part of our Constitution, that is part 9. Move on to the next chapter, that is the Union and its territories. The following is not a constitutional provision for the formation of new states A state may include a union territory. A bill for the purpose of creating a new state in India must be passed by a simple majority in parliament. The first state in India which was created on linguistic basis, Andhra Pradesh. The recently merged UT, Union Territory of Dadra and Nagar Haveli, and Daman and Diu came into existence from date 26 now January 2020. Union territories in India is governed by President. India is a quasi-federal state. Is stated by K.C. Vere. Move on to the next chapter, that is citizenship. Articles of Indian Constitution are related to citizenship, that is Article 5 to 11. The following is competent or prescribe conditions for acquisition of citizenship, that is Parliament. Provisions regarding citizenship have been provided in part of the Constitution, Part 2. Under Citizenship Amendment Act 2015, the following Indian card holder is not authorized to register as immigrant citizen: those Indians who migrated to Pakistan after partition. Move on to the next chapter, that is fundamental rights. The following is not a part of the Article 20 of the Constitution of India, that is provision against torture. Articles of Indian Constitution deals with fundamental rights, that is Article 12 to 35. The following is not the 6 fundamental rights provided by the Constitution of India, that is right to protest. In the Indian Constitution, the right to equality is granted by 5 articles. They are Article 14 to 18. Articles of the Constitution of India is related to equality before the law. Article 14. Fundamental rights may be suspended during emergency. The following pairs of articles relating to the fundamental rights cannot be suspended during the enforcement of emergency under Article 359 of the Indian Constitution, that is Article 20 and 21. Fundamental rights are justiciable. The following fundamental rights have been not provided to foreigners, that is freedom of expression. The following fundamental rights under Constitution is guaranteed only to citizens of India and not to the foreigners living in India, that is freedom of speech and expression. The following is considered as fundamental rights of second generation: right to education. Articles of Indian Constitution guarantees equality of opportunity to all citizens of India in matters relating to public employment, Article 16.1 and 16.2. The following is not a fundamental right: equal pay for equal work. The Indian Constitution right to freedom has been provided by 4 articles, which are Article 19 to Article 22. Articles gives safeguard to fundamental rights of arrested person, that is Article 22. Right to education to all children between age group of 6 to 14 years is fundamental right. Right to education has been included into the fundamental rights by the Constitution 86th Amendment Act 2002. Right to education was given by which amendment of the Indian Constitution, that is 82nd Amendment? Article 21A provides free and compulsory education to children in the age group of 6 to 14 years. The aim of Right to Education Act 2009 is to make education free and compulsory. This is for the children who are up to primary level. The following rights was described by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar as the heart and soul of Constitution: right to constitutional remedies. The custodian of fundamental right is Supreme Court. Under the preventive detention, a person can be detained without trial for 3 months. At present, in the Constitution of India, right to property is a statutory right. The following is a statutory right but not the fundamental right, that is right to property. An offence arising out of untouchability would not make out. The accused and complainant victim belong to the same social group. For the enforcement of fundamental rights, which of the following is included in the definition of state under Article 12, that is life insurance corporations? The following is state under Article 12 of the Constitution, that is Delhi Stock Exchange. For the enforcement of fundamental right not included in the word state, institutes of constitutional and parliamentary studies. The reservation of scheduled caste and scheduled tribes in educational institutions is governed by Article 15(4) of the Constitution. Move on to the next chapter, that is fundamental duties. Fundamental duties were incorporated in the Constitution on the recommendation of Swarna Singh Committee. How many fundamental duties are in Article 51A of the Constitution? 11. Fundamental duties were incorporated in the Constitution of India, 42nd Constitutional Amendment. The following is not a fundamental duty: to protect monuments and places of national importance. Under the Constitution of India, which of the following is not a fundamental duty? To vote in general election. The following is not a fundamental duty: to protect monuments and places of public importance. The following is not a part of fundamental duties under Indian Constitution: to help in organizing village panchayats. The following is not provided in Part 4A Fundamental Duties of the Indian Constitution: to respect our parents and teachers. The following is not a fundamental duty: to protect monuments and places of public importance. Protection of which one of the following is fundamental duty of Indian citizen? National flag. Fundamental duties of Indian citizens are enumerated in Part 4A of the Constitution. Move on to the next chapter, that is Directive Principles of State Policy. The following provisions is a part of both Directive Principles of State Policy and Fundamental Duty, that is protection of environment. The Directive Principles of State Policy may be classified into which of the following parts for the sake of convenient study, that is socialist, liberal, intellectualistic and Gandhian. The ideal of welfare state in Indian Constitution is enshrined in its Directive Principles of State Policy. The following is not the aim of the concept of Directive Principles of State Policy: to establish a religious state. The following is the provisions for the protection and improvement of environment and safeguarding of the forest and wildlife are found in the Constitution of India, in the Directive Principles of State Policy and in the Fundamental Duties. The following directive principle was added after the implementation of the Constitution, that is Free Legal Aid. The following is included in the Directive Principles of State Policy, that is equal pay for equal work for both men and women. The following is a Directive Principles of State Policy: Uniform Civil Code. The following is a Directive Principle of State Policy: the state shall endeavor to protect and improve the environment. The following is not a Directive Principles of State Policy, that is right to information. Constitution is silent about which of the following Directive Principles of State Policy, that is adult education. The following is not Directive Principle: free education for the children up to 14 years. In the Constitution of India, promotion of international peace, security is included in the Directive Principles of State Policy. The Directive Principles of State Policy is a check which is paid on bank's convenience. This told by K.T. Shah. MG Narega scheme was launched to implement which article of the Constitution of India, that is Article 43. Move on to the next chapter, that is parliamentary system. The parliamentary form of government was first introduced in country Great Britain, UK. The following is not correct regarding Indian political system, presidential form of government. The following points differentiates the Indian parliamentary system from the British parliamentary system. Judicial review. In a parliamentary system of the government, legislature controls executive. The following is not characteristics of Indian constitution, that is presidential government. Union territories get representation in both houses of parliament. Move on to the next chapter, that is center, state and interstate relations. Center and state governments gets authorization from Constitution of India. The part chapter of the Indian Constitution deal with the legislative relations between union and states. Part 11, chapter 1. Division of constitutional power between center and state is provided in 7th schedule. Constitution of India provides 3 articles for the division of power between center and state. Which of the 2 articles among given articles regulates the distribution of power, that is Article 245 and 246. In order to impose any international treaty at any part of India or whole India, Parliament could make any law without the consent of any state. The following is not a feature of a zonal council, it is a constitutional body. The following states is not the member of Western General Council, that is Rajasthan. The following is empowered to establish interstate council, president. On the recommendation of which committee the interstate council was set up in India, Sarkaria Commission. The source of the formation of interstate council is constitutional provision. The article of constitution, interstate council is being constituted under Article 263. The following is not related to center-state relationship. Indrajit Gupta Commission. The recommendation of Sarkaria Commission relate to center-state relations. The member of Sarkaria Commission was Dr. S.R. Sen. Move on to the next chapter, that is emergency provisions. How many emergency provisions are there under the Constitution of India? That is 3. Article of the Constitution, financial emergency can be imposed, 360. Financial emergency has been imposed in India, never. The following is not the ground for the proclamation of national emergency. Threat to internal peace. Threat to internal peace. The following is the time limit for the ratification of an emergency period by the Parliament, 1 month. The proclamation of emergency must be placed before Parliament for its approval within 1 month. President's rule can be imposed for a maximum period of 3 years. The term Legislative Assembly could be extended during emergency by Parliament. The following cannot be suspended or restricted even during national emergency: right to life and personal liberty, that is Article 21. Under Article 356 of the Constitution of India, President rule was imposed for the first time in Punjab. Move on to the next chapter, that is Parliament structure and its functions. The following is included in Indian Parliament: President and both the houses. Parliament can legislate on the subject in the state list if the Rajya Sabha passes such a resolution. A money bill passed by Lok Sabha is deemed to have been passed by Rajya Sabha also when no action is taken by the Rajya Sabha within 14 days. Parliament can amend the provisions on official language of India under the Constitution by a simple majority of its members, who can legislate on the subjects which are not included in any of the list of subjects given in Constitution, that is Parliament. The power to withhold assent to a bill after it has been passed by the 2 houses of Parliament by the President. The following is empowered to alter the boundaries of states under the Constitution of India, Parliament. The following has executive power to form a new state, that is Parliament. The following is not correct in the matter of formation of new states, that is such law shall be deemed to be an amendment of Constitution for the purpose of Article 368. Sovereignty of Indian Parliament is restricted by judicial review. The following is not a collective privilege of members of Parliament, that is freedom from attendance as witness. The provision for calling attention notices has restricted the scope of short duration discussion. The following motions the councils of ministers in India can move: confidence motion. The following motions is related to union budget, that is cut motion. 0 hour in the working of Indian Parliament means the time immediately following the question hour. 0 hour parliamentary system has been provided by the country India. Time of 0 hour in the parliament is 12 noon to 1 p.m. The meeting of bulletin in parliamentary procedure is to stop the debate on the bill. Quorum of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha is 1/10 of the total number of members. Office of profit decided by President and Governor. Office of profit is defined by the Supreme Court. Minimum how many times it is necessary for the meeting of Parliament to be held every year, twice. The provision of a joint sitting of both the houses of Parliament is mentioned in Constitution under the Article 108. Joint sitting of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha can take place to resolve deadlock over ordinary legislation. When a bill is referred to a joint sitting of both the houses of Parliament, it has to be passed by a simple majority of members present and voting. The following presides over the joint sitting session of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha in India: Speaker of Lok Sabha. The joint sitting of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha under Article 108 is summoned by President. What will follow if a money bill is substantially amended by Rajya Sabha? The Lok Sabha may proceed with the bill, accepting or not accepting the recommendations of the Rajya Sabha. A bill is a money bill or not is decided by Speaker of Lok Sabha. The following is responsible for the establishment of contingency fund: legislature of any state. Articles of Indian Constitution is related to contingency fund. Article 267. Votes on account permits Union government to withdraw money from Consolidated Fund of India for a specific period. Move on to the next chapter, that is President, Vice President. The following are not included in the Electoral College for the election of President of India. Elected members of legislative councils of the state. Legislative councils of the state. By the 70th Constitutional Amendment, which of the following two union territories have right to vote in election of President? Delhi and Pondicherry. Indian President is the integral part of Parliament because he summons the two houses at the first. He addresses two houses at the first session. After each general election, he may dissolve Lok Sabha. The head of the Delimitation Commission, constituted in March 2020 to withdraw Lok Sabha and Assembly constituencies of the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir, is Ranjana Prakash Desai. The procedure for removal of President of India through the process of impeachment has been laid down under the Article 61. The President of India may be removed from his office by the process of impeachment on the basis of ground violation of the Constitution. The President can be impeached on the grounds of violating the Constitution by two houses of Parliament. The election to the office of President is conducted by Election Commission of India. A member of Parliament or state legislature can be elected as President of India, but he has to vacate the seat immediately after getting elected. In the absence of President of India, if Vice President is not available, then the following can act as President, Chief Justice of India. At least how many days of prior notice is required for impeachment of President of India? 14 days. Article of Constitution of India, impeachment on President can be imposed. Article 61. The vacant post of President is to be filled up within 6 months. The following is not appointed by President of India: Speaker of Lok Sabha. Articles of the Constitution vest the executive power of Union in the President. Article 53. According to Article 53 of Indian Constitution, the executive power of the Union shall be vested in the President. The Indian Constitution President of India can withhold his assent to a bill passed by both the Houses of Parliament. Article 111. For the constitutional matters, who has authority to consult the Supreme Court of India? President. The Indian Constitution empowers President to consult the Supreme Court. Article 143. The following has the constitutional power to declare any geographical area as scheduled area. President. The constitutional authority vested with the power of declaring caste and tribes as the scheduled caste and scheduled tribe is the President of India. The Constitution authorizes the President to make provisions for discharge of duties of governor in extraordinary circumstances under the Article 160. The following is not a constitutional prerogative of President of India: returning a financial bill for reconsideration. How many members may be nominated by the President from Anglo-Indian community if he is of opinion that community is not adequately represented in the House of People? 2. Now this provision has been deleted. The Constitution of India empowers the President to issue ordinance under Article 123. The power of the President to issue ordinance to a relic of Government of India Act 1935. Power of the President to grant pardon, etc. is a judicial power. Indian Constitution empowers the President of India to grant pardon under Article 72. He represents the nation but does not lead the nation. This dictum applies on President. The following did not serve as Vice President before assuming the office of the President of India, that is Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy. The Vice President of India is elected by members of an electoral college comprising all the members of both Houses of Parliament. The resolution for removing the Vice President of India can be moved in Rajya Sabha alone. The proposal relating to dismissal of Vice President can be presented in Rajya Sabha. Move on to the next chapter, that is Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha. The maximum representation from Union territories to the Lok Sabha can be 20. After how many days of absence from Parliament without permission can a MP be disqualified? 60 days. Under the Constitution of India, the term 5 years of Lok Sabha can be extended once during national emergency of 1 year only. The quorum to constitute a meeting of Lok Sabha is 1/10 of the total members of the House. How many members can table the no confidence motion against the Council of Ministers in Lok Sabha? 50 members. Money bill can be presented only in Lok Sabha. The following is authorized to prorogue the session of House of People. President. The following stages general discussion on a bill takes place in the Lok Sabha during second reading. The Speaker of Lok Sabha can be removed by a resolution of the Lok Sabha passed by a majority of members of the House. The Speaker of Lok Sabha addresses to resign from the office to Deputy Speaker of Lok Sabha. The following presides the joint sitting of the Parliament: Speaker of Lok Sabha. The function of pro tem speaker is to officiate as speaker when the speaker is unlikely to be elected. A pro tem speaker is generally appointed by one of the senior most members of the newly elected Lok Sabha. The Speaker of the Lok Sabha makes use of his casting vote only in case of a tie when votes are equally divided. The Chairman of Public Accounts Committee was appointed by Speaker of Lok Sabha. Articles made this provision that the Council of States shall not be subject to dissolution, that is Article 83. Rajya Sabha constituted for the first time in year 1952. Upper House of Indian Parliament, Rajya Sabha, held its first session on 13th May 1950. Officiating Chairman of Rajya Sabha is Vice President. Chairman of which house is not its member? Rajya Sabha. The following bills cannot be The following bills cannot be first introduced in Rajya Sabha. money bill. The Council of States has exclusive powers in relation to recommend creation of a new All India service. A resolution passed under Clause 1 of Article 249 shall remain in force for a period not exceeding 1 year. Move on to the next chapter, that is Prime Minister and Council of Ministers. The Prime Minister of India is responsible towards Lok Sabha. A person can remain a member of Council of Ministers without being a member of Parliament for 6 months. The following is not a correct situation of the status of the Central Council of Ministers at the time of their resignation. President's rule will be imposed. The office of Deputy Prime Minister is an extra constitutional growth. The following statements is correct about Prime Minister of India. Prime Minister is the real head of the Council of Ministers. In India, which one of the following formulates the fiscal policy, that is Ministry of Finance? The following terms does not appear in the Constitution of India, that is budget. Move on to the next chapter, that is parliamentary committees. The chairman of the Public Accounts Committee of Indian Parliament was nominated by the Speaker of Lok Sabha. The tenure of the members of Estimate Committee is 1 year. The largest committee of the Parliament is the Committee on Estimates. The largest committee of the Indian Parliament is Estimates Committee. Estimates Committee is constituted from the members of Lok Sabha. The members of Standing Committee of Parliament are taken from the Lok Sabha and Raj Sabha in ratio 2 and 1 respectively. The Public Accounts Committee of Indian Parliament scrutinizes the report of Comptroller and Auditor General. The following must be approved by the Public Accounts Committee before being submitted to Parliament, that is excess grant. The following attends the meetings of Public Accounts Committee of the Parliament, that is Comptroller and Auditor General of India. The report of Public Accounts Committee is presented in the Lok Sabha. The Consultative Committee of Members of Parliament from Railway Zones is constituted by Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs. A parliamentary committee has not been set up welfare of minorities. Move on to the next chapter, that is various constitutional amendments and its procedure. Delhi has been made National Capital Region by amendment of the Constitution 69th. The concept of basic structure of the Constitution was propounded by the Supreme Court in the case of Kesavananda Bharati versus State of Kerala, 1973. The first amendment to the Constitution carried out in 1951 related to protection of agrarian reforms in certain states. Which Constitutional Amendment Act among the following provided for an authoritative text of Constitution of India in Hindi language, that is 58th Amendment Act? Which Constitution Amendment increased the numbers of members of Parliament from Lok Sabha to 545 from 525, 31st Amendment? The following article was inserted by 42nd Constitution Amendment to provide for participation of workers in management, Article 43A. The following Constitutional Amendment formally inducted Sikkim as a state to the Union of India, 36. The Constitutional Amendment, the subject of education, was transferred from state list to concurrent list, 42nd. The authoritative text of the Indian Constitution in Hindi was authorized to be published by Constitutional Amendment 58th Amendment 1987. By the following amendments of the Indian Constitution, the word cooperative societies was added in Article 19(1)(c), 97th Amendment Act 2011. By which constitutional amendment the word cooperative societies was added in Article 19 of the Indian Constitution, that is 97th Constitutional Amendment. By which amendment word socialist, secular, national unity and integrity has been added to the Constitution of India, that is 42nd Amendment. Constitutional Amendment added integrity in the Parliament, 42nd. Fundamental duties by citizens were added to the Constitution of India by Amendment 42nd. According to the following constitutional amendment in the Indian Constitution, the right to property has been abolished. 44th Amendment Act 1978. According to 84th Constitutional Amendment Act, till which year the total number of existing seats in Lok Sabha shall remain unaltered, 2026. By which constitutional amendment the voting age was reduced from 21 years to 18 years. 61st Amendment. Voting age by youth at the age of 18 years was exercised for the first time in the general election of 1989. Under the following constitutional amendment, 30% seats in the village panchayats have been reserved for the women in India. 73rd Amendment. By the following constitutional amendment, Delhi has been National Capital Region. 69th Amendment. Delhi has been made National Capital Region by Amendment 69th. 52nd Constitutional Amendment is related to anti-defection. Which constitutional amendment has limited the number of central ministers to 15% of total numbers of Lok Sabha? 91st. With which subject the 97th Constitutional Amendment Act 2012 is concerned? Organizing and working of cooperative societies. 79th Amendment of the Indian Constitution is related to reservation of SCs, STs in Lok Sabha and state assemblies. Which constitutional amendment added a new article to the Constitution to provide right to education? 86th Amendment. The Constitutional Amendment Act 104th 2019 is related to Article 334. The following Constitutional Amendment Acts made necessary provision for the implementation of GST, Goods and Service Tax regime. 101 Amendment Act. Under which Constitutional Amendment Act GST was introduced? 101. Move on to the next chapter, that is Governor of the State, Lieutenant Governor. The Governor of State is appointed under the Article of the Constitution 153. The Governor was appointed by President of India. When the same person is appointed as the Governor of two or more states, the emoluments and allowances payable to the Governor shall be allocated among the states in such proportion as the President may by order determine. In Indian Constitution, the Indian Constitution empowers the Governor to issue the ordinance under the Article 213. The Governor of a state can promulgate ordinance during recess of legislature under the Article of Constitution, Article 213. The ordinance issued by Governor of any state should be necessarily approved by legislature of the state. Under Article of Indian Constitution, Governor has the power to pardon. Article 161. The following constitutes Finance Commission to review the financial conditions of the Panchayat Governor of the concerned state. The following state is an exception to the Article 170 as a subject to the provision of the composition of Legislative Assembly. A state shall consist of not less than 60 members. Sikkim. Move on to the next chapter, that is State Legislature. According to Article 170 of Indian Constitution, the minimum and maximum number of members of legislative assemblies of any state can be respectively 60 and 500. The minimum strength of Council of Ministers, including Chief Ministers in the state, can be 12. Move on to the next is the quorum required in the state legislature to hold a meeting is 10 members or 1/10 of the total members of the House, whichever is greater. Salary and the allowances of the ministers of state government is determined by state legislature. Under the following articles of Indian Constitution, provision of creation or abolition of legislative councils in state is made. Article 169. How many members of total number of members of the legislative council are elected by legislative assembly, that is 1/3. The number of nominated members in legislative council is 1/6 of the total strength. State council can hold an ordinance up to time period 4 months. The year in which 2 houses of Vidhan Mandal in Uttar Pradesh came into existence, 1937. No money bill can be introduced in legislative assembly of a state except on the recommendation of the governor of the state. Move on to the next chapter, that is special provisions for some states. The tenure of Chief Minister of Jammu Kashmir is 6 years. The following states nominates 2 women representatives to the State Assembly, Jammu Kashmir. Nomenclature of the executive head of the government of Jammu and Kashmir was changed from Sardari Riyasat to Governor in 1965 by 6th Amendment in the State Constitution of Jammu Kashmir. Articles to the Constitution of India that applies on their own to the state of Jammu Kashmir are Article 1 and 370. Article 371B of the Constitution of India makes a special provision for the state Assam, which region of country conferred special status under Article 371J of the Constitution of India, Hyderabad and Karnataka. Move on to the next chapter, that is Supreme Court establishment, empowerment and jurisdiction. The resignation letter by a judge of Supreme Court is addressed to the President. Federal Court of India was established in the year 1937. The current approved number of judges of Supreme Court of India is 33. The Supreme Court of India consists of 1 Chief Justice and 33 other judges. The following is the custodian of the Constitution of India, Supreme Court of India. The following article makes provision that the law declared by the Supreme Court shall be binding on all the courts within the territory of India, Article 141. The minimum number of judges of Supreme Court required for hearing any case involving interpretation of the Constitution is 5. Supreme Court does hear the cases in New Delhi but can also hear it any other place, that is on the recommendation of President. After retirement, Supreme Court judge could practice not in any court. A judge of Supreme Court may resign his office by writing a letter to the President. Salaries of judges of Supreme Court are determined by the Parliament. In order to settle the dispute between center and state, the jurisdiction of Supreme Court comes under original. All these disputes related to interpretation of Constitution could be taken to the Supreme Court appellate jurisdiction. The Constitution of India deals with the appellate jurisdiction of the Supreme Court in the connection with constitutional cases under Article 132, read with Article 134A. The advisory powers of Supreme Court of India imply that it may advise to the President on the issues of law or fact which is of public importance. The following subjects comes under the common jurisdiction of the Supreme Court and High Court: protection of the fundamental rights. The Supreme Court of India is a court of record. It implies that all its decisions have evidentiary value and cannot be questioned by any court. The following courts in India are known as the Court of Record, High Courts and Supreme Courts. The power to increase the number of judges in Supreme Court of India is vested in Parliament. Under which law is it prescribed that all proceedings in the Supreme Court of India shall be in English language? Article 348 of the Constitution of India. The Supreme Court of India enunciated the doctrine of basic structure of the Constitution in Keswanand Bharati case in 1973. In India, the power of judicial review is enjoyed by Supreme Court and High Court. The Chief Justice of India, when public interest litigation (PIL) was introduced to Indian judicial system, was P.N. Bhagwati. The public interest litigation has been introduced by judicial initiative. The following writs is issued during the pendency of proceedings in a court: provision. A writ which is issued by judiciary and through which executive has been asked to perform under authorized powers is called mandamus. When the Supreme Court issues a writ to a person or to an institution or to perform its duty is called mandamus. The following writs can be filed by the sake of personal liberty on freedom habeas corpus. Move on to the next chapter, that is High Court establishment, empowerment and jurisdiction. The Indian Constitution, there is a provision for the High Courts for Union Territories under Article 241. The following has to decide finally if any question arises at to age of a judge of a High Court of the state, President of India, after consultation with the Chief Justice of India. The pension of a retired High Court judge is charged from Consolidated Fund of India. Acting judges are appointed in High Court. The four northeastern states who share a common High Court at Guwahati are Assam, Nagaland, Mizoram and Arunachal Pradesh. The largest number of benches, Guwahati High Court. High Courts of Bombay, Madras, Calcutta, established in 1861. The following writs can be issued by High Court to secure liberty of the individual habeas corpus. The following is not the main jurisdiction of High Court of a state, advisory jurisdiction. Move on to the next chapter, that is subordinate court and tribunals. The district and session, both judges work directly under the control of High Court of a state. The following writs examines the functioning of subordinate courts territory. Under the Constitution of India, administrative tribunals are related with Article 323A. Move on to the next chapter, that is Attorney General of India, Advocate General of State. The following holds her office during pleasure of the President, Attorney General of India. The following is legal advisor to the state government, that is Advocate General. Move on to the next chapter, that is Panchayati Raj and Municipalities. All elections to the panchayats are conducted by State Election Commission. The Panchayats, extension to the Scheduled Areas Act, PESA in short, passed by Indian Parliament is 1996. National Panchayati Raj Day in India is celebrated on 24th April. The part of Constitution has provisions for Panchayati Raj system, Part 9. The Panchayati Raj system was adopted to decentralize the power of democracy. The third tier added to Indian federal system in 1992. Three stages of parliamentary Raj system. 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act includes Gram Panchayat, Kshetra Panchayat, Jila Panchayat. If a panchayat is dissolved, elections are to be held within 6 months. The minimum population below which, at the intermediate level, the panchayats are not constituted as per provisions of Indian Constitution, 73rd Amendment Act, is 20 lakh. The decision to hold panchayat elections under constitutional provision is taken by state government. The superintendent's direction control of all elections to the panchayats are vested in the State Election Commission. The part of Constitution has the provisions for Panchayati Raj system, Part 9. The following is authorized to make provisions with respect to composition of panchayats, legislature of state. How many items in 12th schedule of Indian Constitution are given for the municipalities? 18. The reservation of seats in panchayat elections for scheduled caste shall not apply to the state of Arunachal Pradesh. The number of seats reserved for women in Panchayati Raj institution in UP is to 1/3 of the total seats. The following is related to the theme of grassroots democracy, that is Panchayati Raj system. Nyay Panchayat in Panchayati Raj system has no powers of awarding imprisonment except in state of Bihar. The following is not concerned with the Panchayats. Constitution 74th Amendment Act. The tenure of every panchayat in India is 5 years from the scheduled dates of its first meeting. The State Election Commissioner for the election of panchayats would be appointed by Governor of the state. In India, first municipal corporation was set up in place, Madras. The members of the Panchayat Samiti are indirectly elected by the members of the village panchayat. In Panchayati Raj system, the Panchayat Samiti is constituted at the block level. The following taxes is levied by Gram Panchayat: tax on local. The architect of Panchayati Raj in India is considered by B.R. Mehta. The following committee recommended for according a constitutional position to Panchayati Raj, that is LM Singhvi Committee. The Panchayats Accession to Scheduled Areas Act passed by Indian Parliament in 1996. Move on to the next chapter, that is Election Commission. The Election Commission was converted into 3-member commission in the following year, 1989. The following function is not related to Election Commission: to make provision with respect to elections to the legislatures. While deciding any question relating to the disqualification of the members of Parliament, the President shall obtain the opinion of Election Commission of India, who decide disputes regarding disqualification of members of Parliament. The President in consultation with Election Commission. Election Commissioner can be removed by the President on the recommendation of the Chief Election Commissioner. The Dinesh Goswami Committee was concerned with electoral reforms. Move on to the next chapter, that is Finance Commission. The following was the chairman of the first Finance Commission in India, Sri K.C. Yogi. Finance Commission is constituted after every 5 years. The primary duty of Finance Commission of India is to give the recommendations on the distribution of tax revenues between union and state. The following is responsible for revenue sharing between state government and local government: State Finance Commission. State Finance Commission is a constitutional body. Move on to the next chapter, that is Comptroller and Auditor General. The audit report of Comptroller and Auditor General of India is examined by Public Accounts Committee. The Office of Comptroller and Auditor General of India was created by Constitution. The Comptroller and Auditor General have been appointed by the President. He can be removed from his post on the recommendation of the both houses of Parliament. The accounting separated from auditing from Comptroller and Auditor General's task only remained confined to auditing the government accounts in year 1976. Who is called the guardian of public purse? Comptroller and Auditor General. The audit report of Comptroller and Auditor General of India is examined by Public Accounts Committee. The ultimate responsibility of taking due action on the comments of the Comptroller and Auditor General rests with Parliament. Move on to the next chapter, that is Union and State Public Service Commission. Union Public Service Commission submits its annual report to President. A joint Public Service Commission for 2 or more states can be established by Parliament if requested by concerned state. The functions of State Public Service Commission of Uttar Pradesh can be extended by Uttar Pradesh State Legislature. A member of State Public Service Commission may be removed by the President after the inquiry conducted by the Supreme Court. The members of Union Public Service Commission before completion of their term of office removed by President on recommendation of Supreme Court. Move on to the next chapter, that is National Commission for Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribe. Provision for appointment of National Commission for SC/STs has been made in the Constitution under Article 338 and 338A. The 6th schedule of the Constitution of India deals with the administration of tribal areas of Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram. The provisions of the 6th schedule of Indian Constitution are applicable in Tripura. Move on to the next section, that is miscellaneous section. The Constitution of India initially permitted the use of English language for all official purposes for a period of 15 years. The National Disaster Management Division in India is the nodal division in the Ministry of Home Affairs for disaster management. The ex officio chairman of National Disaster Management Authority is Prime Minister. The following can be chairman of the National Human Rights Commission, a retired Chief Justice of Supreme Court. National Food Security Act came into force from 2013. The Environment Protection Act for the protection and preservation of environment was passed by Government of India in 1986. The following is the oldest and most important committee of Indian Parliament, Public Accounts Committee. P.C. Hota Committee on Civil Services Reform was constituted in year 2004. That's it for today. Thanks for watching the video. Now politics section is over. In next class we will discuss the next chapter or next subject.